Hi everybody, welcome to Brooklyn Woman Empowerment Group, aka Grandma Elsie. As you can see, I'm working in my planner. This was last year's planner. I'm taking the stickers off and I am transferring them to my Recollection planner that I bought from eBay, but it's from Michael's. I love this planner because this planner holds everything that I want. The only problem I have is the folder and the little pocket is in the back. This irks me, you know what I'm talking about? And this folder is not that big. I had to cut down some of this stuff to fit it in here. But other than that, this is the planner I'm going to use, hopefully for this whole year. Because you know me, I be changing up a lot. And I thought I should use a ring bound. No, this is not a ring. Yes, it is. This ring too, but it's sparrow. The sparrow ring. Because I have those grandkids. And I feel like this is more functioning for me. Because I have Franklin Covey. And, you know, I like to put big stickers everywhere when I'm dealing with these children. And I used a Franklin Covey last year. Hello. And I used a Franklin Covey, you know, for me. But I said, well, why don't I just stay in one planner? And so I was into this one last year, as you can see. But then I went back and forth. But I don't think I'm going to go back and forth this year because I'm dealing with these grandkids. So I'm just going to show. Did she just curse in my video? This cover comes off. But I don't feel like ripping it off because, you know, grandmothers don't like to get in all that kind of bull crap. I just like to show y'all people what I do. So when you open this up, you write your name here. And okay, wait a minute. It has some small calendars for overviewing. And I'm going to put a tab here because this is important days here. This important days. And and I'm going to put a tab here so I can find it much quicker because it's hard to find. But I decorated January. I did. So this is what I did. Excuse me, people. We're having some interruption here. Can you hold on a minute? Hello. You're being rude. I'm on video. Okay. That's children for you. Anyway. So as you can see, I decorated my January. But I'm going to show you January over. I just, you know. This is my February layout. You can rather say spread. Because I don't like to beat around the bush when I'm doing a video because I get bored quick. I just like to jump to what I'm doing. You know what I'm talking about? So, I did a little march too. Something fell out, but I'll find out what it is later. As you can see, I decorated March, Leprechaun Day. It's also my baby daughter's birthday. So as you can see, I think she's a leprechaun. Anyway. Okay. I decorated a March. I didn't finish. But I just want to show you what I did here. I took a little sticky, let me show you what I'm talking about. A little Hello Kitty sticky note. And I made a little booklet on the side where it said notes. And it says, it is what it is. And as you open it, it says Hello Kitty up there. It says, learn to love who you are. Always. God created you to be you and nobody else. It's only one Grandma Elsie. And I'm out the box always. I don't try to be in the box because I don't try to please nobody. So that's what I stuck there to give it a little, you know, secret. Little note. And you know, as it goes, I'm going to do some more to this March. I'm going to use some washi tape to put some little stuff there. But as you can see, I use a little stickers from last year. Because the stickers here that I use, I can easily peel off and transfer to my new planner. And if it seems like they want to come off, I just use a little bit of tape, invisible tape, and that's how I do it. And I took and let me show you this. Let me show you the back of this planner here. Excuse me. Okay. So this is the back where the little pocket is that I say is very small. But you know, when I turn, I see little quotes like, if you're brave enough, anything is possible up here. I hope you can see it, but because it's dark in this kitchen. So, and so this side, let's see what this side says. It's about the same thing. But what really makes me angry, I love this planner. It's just that this should be a zipper part with a, you know, the zipper little clear pocket. And it opens and it's hard to open. You know, you gotta bite it with your teeth to open it. But you know what? I have a Post-it note clear sticky pocket. Sticky pocket. I'm gonna put it I'll probably take this off and stick the little pocket I have. And I bought this from Michael's. This is a stick-on pin loop, but I don't know. I don't like it. It's kind of flimsy, but I'm just using it. It's from those planners. What is those planner name? Woo, 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 woo. I don't remember. I forgot. But I'll get it and let you know when I go to Michael's again. Because first, when I saw the Recollection spiral planners, I don't want that planner where you can just pop off the cover, because I'm afraid it might pop off by itself. But I see it doesn't. You have to really pull it off. So I love this gold look. It's beautiful. Now if they would just like have it like personal, that you can like write in and say, well, I would like this to say Grandma Elsie up there, but you can get gold foil letters and stick up there and do it yourself. But anyway, I know this video might be a little bored, but see, I just had a day by myself. No children, and I know this video is long because, hey, I finally got a free time. So, and I'm finally like feeling good about myself because I miss my aunt. I'm gonna show you her obituary. This is my beautiful aunt. She used to call me. She used to take care of me when I was a baby. This was like my other mommy. She used to call me all the time, and we had a good time. I just sharing a little pain that I'm going through, you know. We used to call. We could talk about anything, everything we talk about. We joke with each other. I call her low butt because she had a beautiful figure with the hips, bodacious low hips, but they weren't ugly hips. And she used to call me Albert. And hey, it's just sad when you're missing people that, you know. And my other aunt, I have her obituary in my other planner. I'm always going to keep in my son-in-law. I'm going to stick them in my planners so I can always remember them on the anniversary of that they went out. You know, the shell was left, but the real person, you know. So, well, I guess that's it. I'll be talking about my next project later. And I will be discussing more about the women's group, Brooklyn Women Empowerment Group. If you want to write me or be a pen pal, it's Brooklyn Women Empowerment Group, P.O. Box 471326, Brooklyn, New York 11247. And Grandma said, peace out.